Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the world of tech gadgets to give you the scoop on what's worth your hard-earned cash. Today, we're orbiting into the realm of trackballs with the Kensington Orbit Wireless Trackball. Let's see if this mouse is the perfect orbit for your hand or if it's lost in space. First off, let's talk design. The Kensington Orbit Trackball sports a sleek and compact design, making it a space saver on your desk. Its ambidextrous setup means it's suitable for lefties and righties alike. However, its build quality feels a tad cheap, which might leave some users feeling a bit underwhelmed. Now, what about functionality? Well, this trackball offers both 2.4 GHz wireless and Bluetooth connectivity options, giving you flexibility in how you connect. Plus, the unique scroll wheel design is a standout feature, making scrolling through documents a breeze. But here's the catch. It's not the most comfortable to use without the detachable wrist rest. So, if comfort is a top priority for you, keep that in mind. Let's talk software. With Kensington Works, you can customize some aspects of the mouse, like button functionality and pointer speed. While it's not the most robust customization software out there, it gets the job done for basic tweaks. Plus, the Bind to Cloud feature is a nice touch for syncing your settings across devices. Battery-wise, the Orbit relies on 2Ah batteries, which might disappoint those looking for a rechargeable option. However, Kensington claims the batteries last at least a year, so you won't be swapping them out constantly. As for performance, the trackball proved responsive in testing. But some users may find the button placement a bit awkward, especially without the wrist rest attachment. So, where does the Kensington Orbit Wireless Trackball land in our final orbit? It's a decent entry-level option for those dipping their toes into the world of ergonomic mice. Its compact design, unique scroll wheel, and dual connectivity options make it a contender in the trackball market. However, its lack of comfort without the wrist rest and somewhat cheap build quality hold it back from reaching stellar heights. At its price point, though, it's worth considering if you're on a budget. And there you have it, folks. That's our take on the Kensington Orbit Wireless Trackball. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques. Until next time, this has been Product Critique, signing off.